Hey y'all, Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy here, coming to you with another Monday educational moment. Today I'm going to talk to you about running. I consider myself a runner. I fell in love with running 6 years ago after I did my first 5K. In PT school, everybody's like, you should try running. I was always a swimmer and I always did fitness, cardio equipment and stuff. Occasionally I would run, but I would never consider myself a runner. So I started training via Couch to 5K. A little shout out to that program. I've done it a couple times, 3, 4 maybe actually. And I signed up for a 5K. I spent about 3 months running and building up to that 5K, and the support and connection I felt with runners and the community of runners was amazing. I had never been a runner before. I started with just like the 30 seconds of running, 30 seconds of walking, just building myself up to be able to tolerate. I remember the day that I ran the whole mile without stopping and called all my friends, and I was like, I ran a whole mile without stopping. It was really great, and it was really a sense, it really helped me feel like I belonged with a group of people, and I could connect with them, and we always had something to talk about. How'd your run go? Oh, I was a little slow. I must have eaten too much Mexican this weekend or something. So there's always something to connect with if you are runner, or if you do join the 5K crowd. You don't have to go do marathons or anything. I will probably never do another marathon, but I do like the 5 and 10K distances, and like building up to those. I do go a period usually throughout the year without running. I've only been running about once a week lately, and that's just to maintain some of my endurance, but I still, like I said today, probably couldn't do a 5K without feeling very, very tired and having to walk. So I just want to encourage you, if you do feel like you want to join, if you see a 5K that looks fun, it could be a color run or whatever, begin a walking program, maybe try Couch to 5K a couple of times, and find a support system, find somebody else that's been through that. Even if they're well ahead of you, there's still going to be a really good person or group of people to talk to and really connect with over a topic, and it's all about your health and wellness and getting better. If you're having trouble training, if you do start this program and you're having pain that limits you, come see a physical therapist. A lot of times there may be something going on in your hips, weakness wise, that we can give you a few exercises to do before or after your runs, to get you where you can tolerate longer distances with less pain. Have a good Monday. Bye, y'all.